Hello guys, today we're taking a look at a pretty big update to what is currently my favorite, AI image upscale. And now that's a pretty weird thing to say, like how exciting can it actually be? It's an upscale, right? It just makes things bigger, but I think when you see it, your head will start spinning into a lot, so join and enjoy. And don't forget, if you like it, subscribe my YouTube channel and like. Thank you so much. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and search for Korea AI, or visit korea.ai. After accessing the Korea AI website, sign in with your Google account. Next, click on the Upscale and Enhancer button. Navigate to the left sidebar and upload the image that you want to upscale and enhance. Once uploaded, the system will generate auto prompts for your images. Scroll down and choose the realistic photo style. Set the AI strength to 65 or 85%. You can also use the negative prompt option for further customization. Finally, click on the Enhance button. Feel free to experiment with the settings to achieve even better results. Wait for a few seconds and witness the remarkable difference yourself, as this tool provides amazing results. Experience the transformative enhancement in just a matter of moments. Certainly, let's try another image and repeat the same process. Upload the new image you want to enhance. Follow the steps mentioned earlier and witness the impressive results for yourself. The service provides the following daily limits: 50 image generations per day, 10 video generations per day, 3 AI training after signing, up to 2 parallel image generations. These limits ensure a balance between usage and system resources, allowing users to make the most of the platform within specified constraints.
So, don't forget to like and subscribe.